Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a short little video for you guys showing you kind of what we do up here in Lake Tahoe area after a big snowstorm to get back to work. I am a welder and we do a lot of welding up at the lake. I do some welding off of a friend of mine's barge, and he asked me to go up there and clean it off today. There's good snow accumulation, and too much snow on things is never a good thing. I'm sure if you're in a snowy area yourself, you know that snow on roofs, snow on anything adds a lot of weight and can cause problems. So we go up there. The storm looks like it's passed, but who knows. We had a sunny day coming up today and possibly one tomorrow, so we're going to try and get some snow off and get that baby to start melting, because once we get the ice exposed, the snow will melt and we can get back to work. As of today, we have 33 subscribers on this channel. Super appreciative of those 33 subscribers. If you're not a subscriber and you're just clicking through YouTube and you found this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like it, I highly encourage you to stay till the end. There's just some cool time-lapse stuff that I did. We'll show you what we got going on. And if you end up liking the video, if you wouldn't mind subscribing, we'll have some more content coming out in the near future, and we'd really appreciate it. And we have a goal in the next 5 to 6 months to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm really shooting for that. So we got some new camera gear coming. One of the last videos I did, the audio is awful, and I apologize. Still learning how to do all this, kind of self-teaching myself as I go, as well as watching a lot of YouTube videos. So bear with me. I appreciate all you guys watching, and I do have some new equipment on the way I'm very excited about. I'll show you guys when I get it. So we should have a lot more quality content coming your way, a lot better audio. I did one with my iPhone. It was really grainy, surprisingly, for a brand new iPhone. Probably something wrong on my end, but yeah. With that, let's get into the video and show you how this day goes. Beautiful snowy Tahoe. I think I just wore the wrong kind of shoes out here. Wasn't expecting the 5-foot snow drifts, but beautiful day out here on Tahoe. Somewhat got a little area to stand, but boy, we got a lot of snow. Now I gotta go out there and shovel that barge off so it will melt and dry out, so we can come back out here and get to work. In case anyone's wondering if it's beautiful up in Tahoe in the wintertime in the snow on the water, I give her 2 thumbs up. Water's still Beautiful, crystal clear. You can see the ground. Don't mind the ice, but ten out of 10 recommend. Just drive better than most people do out here. I'm starting to lose faith in humanity for some of these drivers up here. But it's starting to snow now, so I'm gonna try and get out of here, guys. We'll see you on the next one.